Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram music not showing in multiple posts. So if you went to your Instagram and clicked on your profile icon on the bottom right corner and you went to your post and your post had a music and you didn't see the music under your username and you think that there is a problem there on your posts or Instagram posts, one of the ways to actually fix that problem, you need to go back to your screen and go ahead to your apps basically and app store basically, and then just type Instagram and make sure that you updated your Instagram to the latest version. Now as you can see, there is the new update, and if that accumulated by time, you might face some problems. So you need to update your app to the latest version. Now what I'm gonna do in order to fix that problem, if you did that and still didn't work out for you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down to the general and then go ahead to the iPhone storage. Right, in the iPhone storage, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, go to the Instagram, and then upload the app. And by uploading the app, you will force to free the unnecessary or extra data on your Instagram, and then you're gonna be able to see the same button on the upload, reinstall the app with your information inside. You're gonna be able to enter it right away, and basically that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.